Have you ever wondered why you keep hitting snooze even when you swore you wouldn't? It's not just laziness, it's a habit. And behind every habit is something called the habit loop. Here's how it works. First, there's the cue, like your alarm ringing. Then comes the routine. You hit snooze. Finally, the reward. You get 10 more cozy minutes in bed. Your brain loves that reward, so it memorizes the loop until you start doing it without thinking. But here's the secret. Good habits work the same way. Want to get fit? Set a cue, like putting your shoes by the bed. Stick to the routine. Go for a quick run. And enjoy the reward, that post-workout energy boost. Some habits are so powerful, they're called Keystone habits. Change one, and others follow automatically. Like exercising, eating better, sleeping deeper, thinking sharper. The trick? Keep the cue and reward, but change the routine. That's how you reprogram your brain. Because in the end, small habits create big change.